Alright, Chainsaw Man. The manga is so freaking good, I'm willing to cover the monthly releases of part 2 if you guys are up for that. Now, I know what some of you guys are thinking. Wait, manga I have to read? I know that some of you here are anime only watchers, but trust me when I say that most of the time, the manga is better than the anime. And Chainsaw Man is the perfect starter manga. But if you have some religious rule or something where you can't even stand the smell of a manga, then Chainsaw Man is getting an anime adaptation this year. So now there's no excuse for you to not watch this video. It's Ethanime, and today we're going to do a spoiler-free look at Chainsaw Man, its perfect lineup of waifus, best bros, and why you're missing out. If you're trying to jump off the sinking raft that is Attack on Titan, then the battleship of Chainsaw Man is exactly what you're looking for. After all, the lovely people at Titanfolk have already started migrating to Chainsaw Folk too. On top of that, guess what Chainsaw Man has? A good ending. And part 2 will probably have a good ending too. Chainsaw Man checks all the boxes when it comes to great mangas. Great over-the-top art? Check. A Chad main character who likes to choose horny over saving the day? Check. A great range of waifus for everyone's taste? Check. Enemies that are so far-fetched that it makes them cool? Double check. As you can see, in the University of Ethanime, Chainsaw Man has a perfect grade. Now, let's say you're not a fan of reading for some reason. Well, good news, because Chainsaw Man features barely any text bubbles, or at least a lot less than other mangas like Metamorphosis. In fact, Chainsaw Man is so fast-paced that you'll be finished reading before you even have a chance to give the Attack on Titan manga a 1 on Mal. So, Chainsaw Man is pretty much good devils fighting bad devils. And the devils in Chainsaw Man are so random and over the top that it pretty much needs the amazing art style that it has, or it'll start looking like a manhwa. Now, when I say over the top, I mean over the top. Like a Bat Devil. Or how about a Bomb Devil? Or even a Great Devil? Pretty much it's got all the devils you'll ever need. Even an Angel Devil. Yeah, that one doesn't really make any sense. So if you're in it for the action and devils, it's got a ton of that. But now, let's dive deeper into what's really important about this manga. The waifus. Chainsaw Man features a perfect range of waifus, so that no matter who you are, you will find someone you like. Unless you don't swing that way or something, then don't worry because we also got a best bro. Now I'll give you a quick rundown on your waifu options here. Makima. She's pretty overrated to be honest, and unless you have a certain obvious kink, then she is not for you. Yeah bro, I don't know, I don't get it. Power. Literally the pinnacle of perfect waifus. I don't care if she's also a popular pick, because Power is the waifu. I don't give a fuck what anyone else says. Then we got Rez. Another solid choice. I'd say she's on the same league as Power. The rest of the waifus aren't relative enough to make this list, so if your best girl didn't make it, sorry, but she just wasn't good enough. Now the main character is the perfect main character. He's just the right mix of Chad, innocent, stupid, and horny. He's that type of guy that would choose a pair of breasts over his own life. He's also not badly written like someone else I know. And he's not as useless as another MC I know. He's the perfect mix, and I think you'll enjoy watching him chainsaw shit. Overall, Chainsaw Man is the perfect manga, and I think you'll enjoy it, especially if you need something to take your mind off Attack on Titan. I'll make a video about my full thoughts on Chainsaw Man with spoilers soon, so I can talk about everything I want to talk about. But as for why you should read it, that's all I gotta say, and I hope you check it out. This was Ethanime, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys very, very soon.